Okay. Hey guys, so we are back at it again with another test. So last video I've made a bend test. I'm not sure if you saw that video. If you haven't, just check that out. In this video, I want to try to see how scratch resistant this phone is. And to be honest, I think it's not that scratch resistant. It's the Google Pixel 3a, which is a couple of years old now, and it's mostly made out of plastic. If you wonder what happened with that bend test, well, the screen got shattered. It was already shattered, but with the bend test, it got even more shattered. What about scratch resistance? I don't think the chances of this phone are very high. So let's go dive right in without wasting any of your time. First of all, I want to test it out with this big knife, and I think the smaller the knife, or the smaller the scratch object, the more likely your phone will scratch. So let's go ahead and see how this goes. Oh, so that went very fast. Okay, so that went very fast. Let's see what happened if we do this. Well, as you see, that scratch is really remarkable. You see it right away. And I'm not pressing whatsoever. It's just lightly on top of it. And as you see, it gets scratched very easily. What about that? What about the Touch ID? I bet if I just scratch on it, and funny part is if I scratch on it, those scratches are not that visible as on the chassis. So that's something that's, yeah, that's very noticeable. I bet that Touch ID will not work anymore. Unfortunately, I can't demonstrate that because this phone is already dead. So I'm sorry, I can't demonstrate that, but yeah, if we see, as you see, it's very bad. It gets scratched very easily. If I try to wipe it off, you still see those scratches though. So yeah, if you have a Google Pixel 3a and you have it most of the time along with your keys in your bag, make sure to have a case around it because this phone gets scratched very easily. Let's see, what about the camera? Most of the time they say you don't need any protector around your camera because that camera is made out of sapphire. Well, it's kind of resistant, I should say. It survived. Okay, so this is actually very cool. Let's see if... Okay. So after a couple of like smashes, I got that sapphire shattered. If it is sapphire, I'm not sure if this phone has a sapphire camera. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. Yeah, so that camera gets shattered after like a couple of smashes on it. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, for the most part, this phone is not scratch resistant whatsoever. You need to have a case around it. Now, I haven't even tried this yet. Let's see. Yeah, it's basically the same. It's not that scratch resistant, as you see. If I wipe it away, it kind of stays there, but you can just, yeah, wipe it away. But no one wants to walk around with a phone like this. Obviously, in the real world, you're not going around and mess up with your phone like I do. This is just highly uncommon stuff, but I'm just demonstrating this for you guys just to see if it is wise to put your keys along with your phone. Maybe you should just put a whole case around it and don't mind anymore about scratching your phone, because you need to protect that phone. Just think about it. After you've done with it, most of the time you can sell that phone on online on a marketplace like eBay or Craigslist or somewhere else. So that phone has value. Protect that phone with a case. That's my advice for this video. And let's see if we can just scratch that Google logo out of it. Oh, that sound is just horrible. I'm almost done. And it seems like that Google logo is engraved in there. It's very hard to get it off of the back of this phone. Yeah. It's kind of fading away, but it's still there. If you can take one thing out of this video, don't put your phone along with your keys in your bag or your pockets. And let's see if this top gets scratched. Yeah, this one gets scratched as well, as you see here. What about the screen's already shattered, but let's... Okay. Okay, so the screen is just destroyed right here. I mean, yeah, what do you expect? I'm just punching on it with this knife. And once again, it's a phone that's made a couple of years ago, so don't expect anything good out of it. Yeah, that's actually it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to see any more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any video. I hope you've liked it. Make sure to like this video. That helps me a lot. Thank you so much for your support, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.